Yeah, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams. It is Friday, July 8th. We worked yesterday from 4:45 a.m. to almost 1 a.m. back at another construction site. Here we are in Vacaville, California, where we're installing 56 cameras, access control, and alarms in this 100,000 square foot warehouse. Another low voltage company did the pre-wire. Today we're pre-drilling the holes through the wall, mounting all exterior cameras, getting ready to mount all the interior cameras, and start putting all the alarm contacts on all the doors. So we're gonna show you what's going on right here today. Check it out. And this is the current map of what everything's going. We have different model cameras here, and so this tells you what is what as far as the color, right? So fisheye, that's the fisheye, that's the one you're about to work on. This one is the CD52E, which is the outdoor one. This is by the front door, I'll show you that one. This is an indoor CD52 alarm hub, All this stuff is gonna go to the rafters. This is all rafter shit. Today our main thing is get every fucking hole on the outside drilled in. All of these perimeter ones. This is the L bracket mount. This one's gonna go here on that little man door. These two cameras have the mount 2, mount 8, you know, the one that's longer and it goes upside down with the round piece. All he wants for these two is to be at the very end of each roll-up door, and they're just looking at each other down the row. So this is where our access control and alarm panel wire is gonna go. So if you wanna mount them wherever you can work on them. The BP41 is the alarm panel, AC41 is the access control, so whichever way you want them, I don't care, you can mount those. And then the alarm panel itself, the alarm panel gets this cellular backup. Yep. So this is the cellular backup, it just has a little USB that plugs in. So this will just mount just to the right of it. Right here, this will be the alarm. Wherever they're gonna stick a conduit down. This is the access control wire. This is a hardwired alarm for the door. So if you need to get a little armored thing here too, what the electrician is supposed to do on this door is you're supposed to bring a conduit to here to a double gang. You'll have a double gang, one little chain out to here. This access control is also coming through. You're supposed to have a conduit right here, and then this is where my card reader is going to go. This is the card reader. And then the iPad is going to be one of these two. One's a camera. One of these is a camera. One of these is the iPad. One to this door. These are the only two employee entrances where they're gonna access the stuff. So one here, and then the same thing at the very end, the last man door to the last roll up should have another sticker that says iPad.
Hell yeah.
So the bosses were. All right, that's it for today. I'm taking off. I gotta go do something else. I got these guys working on this. They're gonna finish doing what they can get done today, clean up what we have. The building just got power from PG&E. We got internet and data installed on Monday. We're gonna have a couple other videos of the site as we have progress. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. Later. July 13th, and we're back at Rainin in Vacaville. We're mounting all the outdoor cameras today. Right here you have CF42E. on the door. We have a CF81 over there, fisheye. We got another fisheye going on. Today we're mounting all the outdoor cameras, then tomorrow we start all the indoor cameras. One of those is probably for data and a time clock, and one of them should be for us. They have to run the conduit down.
Run it, then you're gonna...
We might have to get into this ourselves, but they got to get this like down a stick and over, or down that thing and over or something. The electrician's supposed to put that in a conduit for us coming down. I might need to take this off, and I'm gonna see if the electrician will give us a conduit down, put a double gang box and mount this to the box. Okay. So this Cat 6 will come straight down into the box, and then from here down to and then another junction out to the reader.
We need to finish these cameras outside. Okay. The only ones I know we can't do is this one right here because of all that stuff there. And we'll leave that alone until that's empty. But all the outside should be done. My name's Edward, working with Digital Dreams over here at Rainin in Vacaville's new facility, installing some Verkada cameras, access control, and alarm systems. So far, we've installed 54 cameras up and running. We've installed the roll-up door contacts. We've put up the Verkada alarm panels, and we are now in the process of installing the Verkada access control door hardware. We have one door completed so far, and we should, by the end of today, we should have about 4 more completed, and very soon we'll have, there are total 7 doors, we should have the remaining 3 completed.